How's it going, guys? Today I was printing on my Monoprice, and several times it goofed up this battery holder that I was printing, and can't even hold it. Nice. Yeah, so it did a really bad layer shift, and it always amazes me how it's able to recover even after a layer shift like this. I guess I don't really mean recover, but I mean how it manages to create a layer to keep building on, even though it's just floating in the air. Anyway, kind of crazy. Usually when something like that happens, it's because of the belts. Usually the belts are kind of loose, and so the stepper motor isn't able to actually grab onto it very well. I have a whole bunch of, I got this whole box of messed up prints for, and that's some bad layer shifting. This is a mask. Stuff that's just like broken or may have printed too thin. Got some other layer shifting stuff here. Yeah, so I got a whole box of it. And someday I'll probably, that spaghetti. So yeah, it's really great. Anyway, it's kind of inevitable with 3D printing, but the key is just to fine tune your printers and try to minimize the mess ups. So I'll make some videos about how to try to avoid that, how to, tune the printers a little bit better so they don't do this layer shifting. And so make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like if you don't mind. It helps out. So thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you next one.